Hey guys, thanks for joining me today. I've been thinking a lot about costs here lately. How the price of everything is just going through the roof, whether it's trucks or parts or maintenance or whatever. Really working hard on ways to save money, looking for good resources. And I found one here. Well, I've been using it for years. It just dawned on me I should share it with everybody. Really good discounts on tires in general. It's hard to find a good quality tire at a good price. So I'm going to share with you here today how to save some money. Now, whether you're an owner-operator leased to a carrier or an independent, anything in between, there's something here for everybody. And I'll explain that as we go. They have a couple different ways to save money on tires. Now, you can go get the Chinese knockoffs, and you can usually get them cheap. But it's hard to find that balance between price, quality, and rolling resistance. And I found something kind of in there that works for me at a great price. So I'll share that with you. As well, they have numerous discounts on other items. So there's something here for everybody. If you can't save money through these guys somehow, then I'll be really shocked. So stick around. Oh, the best part, did I mention that it's all completely free? There's no charge for anything ever. No membership charge, no charge to use their services. So this is really great, and I'm excited to share this with you. So I'm going to flip my computer screen here, and we will get started.
Welcome to the channel, yeah. Do it yourself, semi.
Hey yo, DIY semi. Come on, won't you let me help you simplify what you like need? Hey yo, DIY semi. Come on, won't you let me help you make a profit like yeah. We gon' break it down, break it down. Come on, make a profit, break it down, break it down. Simplify, don't stop it. Break it down, break it down. Come on, make a profit, break it down, break it down. Simplify, don't stop it.
So I'd like to introduce you to truckersb2b.com. That's Truckers B2B, which stands for business to business.com. It's a free site that has organized a bunch of discounts for truck drivers, independents, owner-operators, and otherwise. And this is what their website looks like. Now we'll go through this whole thing. We'll start with tires because that's what we're here for. And then we'll go through some of the other discounts that they have, because there's some really good savings here, and I think you'll find something for you. So we'll click on top savings here, top fleet savings. Now they have a fuel program, tires. We'll first talk about tires. So if you're an owner-operator leased to a carrier, probably the best price you're going to get on tires is through your carrier, because they're probably buying, a lot of tires. They have a good national program or whatever. But if you happen to buy a Goodyear or a Yokohama, you can go to them, get the best price you can negotiate on that tire, pay for it, send in your invoice to either Goodyear or Yokohama, and Goodyear will give you $25 back per tire in a rebate. They'll mail you a check. Truckers B2B will. So on 8 tires, what was that, $200? Pretty good. Additional savings. See, I told you there was something here for everybody. Or, if you happen to buy these 2 tire brands from your local dealer where you get a smoking deal, you can do the same thing. This is unrelated to your purchase. You just take that receipt and you fax it into Truckers B2B, and they will mail you a check. With Yokohama, it's $12 per tire. Now, I have seen with Yokohama where occasionally that gets bumped up to $25 per tire. I have gotten that. You just kind of got to watch. I've been running Yokohamas. I really like them. They're the perfect combination for me with cost, quality, and rolling resistance. They nearly match the Michelin for rolling resistance. I like Michelin's, great rolling resistance. Gosh darn expensive tire. These are darn close to rolling resistance, and they are less than half the price. Now you can still get Michelin's through this program here, but this is one of the ways to save money on tires for these guys. The way I do it is with this national account. They call it the Gold program. So all you do is you call Truckers B2B, sign up to be a member, tell them you want to be a member of the Gold program. If you're an independent, chances are this may be the best pricing you're going to get on tires. Now, I went to my local dealer. There's a large chain of a large chain here in the Midwest called Pomp's Tire. I like to buy my tires there. And I tried to get the best price I could on these Yokohamas. They gave me a great price. Well, way better than I could do anywhere else. But I still beat it here using the Gold program. So I just call Truckers B2B and say, hey, I'm here at Pomp's. I'm buying these tires. They give Pomp's a PO number, and then Truckers B2B charges my credit card. Save money. Just recently steered 2 friends towards this, and one of them saved like $1,500 over the best price that Pomp's was going to give them. So if you use a Chinese knockoff tire, you're happy with it, more power to you. I just feel like, why do that? Most of them tires have a really high rolling resistance and gobble up your fuel mileage when you can get a good quality tire with low rolling resistance for a, really comparable price. Just my opinion. Now let's take a look, and we will see here exactly what tires are on this program. I just have to find it. So here we got BF Goodrich, Continental, Dunlop, General Tire, Goodyear, Kumho, or however you say that, Michelin, and Yokohama. So that's a pretty good selection to choose from. Those are, there's some good names in there, good tires. I don't much care for Goodyear, but that's just my personal opinion. Now, we'll go back to the home page here. Let's look at some of the other discounts they have here, because there's some good ones. And remember, this is all free. There's no charge for any of this. We'll just click on vendors. We'll go through these and just briefly touch on each one of them. Decide what works for you. ADP is a payroll service company. Chances are, if you're listening to this video, you don't need that. But at&t, they give you 19% off your bill by going through Truckers B2B. You just link your account to B2B, and there you have it. It's all done. Best Pass is an all-in-one toll device. It crams all of them into one device. Florida, Texas, Easy Pass, Kansas, Oklahoma, whatever. Pretty much every toll in the country will be covered with this. And it puts in there Pre-Pass. Now, I have Pre-Pass Plus, which is essentially the same thing. But I got to looking at this, and I'm going to have to compare my rates, because Truckers B2B has a discount of 20% on tolls when you link it to Truckers B2B. That's a good deal. We'll skip over BF Goodrich. Bosselman's here. They'll give you it's a $20 discount on your PM or DOT services. ComData. Now, I will confess, the fuel discounts here through Truckers B2B are not great. I have a way better plan for buying fuel. We'll get to that in a video here, not too long in the future here. Pretty good discounts. Continental, Dunlop tires. Eco Flaps, these are those mud flaps with the slats in them. Supposed to save you fuel. 10% off your order if you intend to use those. EFS, another fuel card. Tires. Imperial Supply. You got a love-hate relationship with these guys. Look at that. 25% off with Truckers B2B. Now, they already have some pretty decent prices. And Imperial Supply has everything you need. My God, they will send you a catalog that's 3 inches thick. And if there's a fastener or fitting that exists is in that catalog, as well as, chemicals, safety equipment, gosh dang, everything. Really good resource, and it's not junk parts. The part that I hate about them, once you start ordering through them and open an account, they are going to call you all the time, trying to, hey, we got a promotion on this. Hey, we got this. We got that. I'm just a guy with one truck, dude. I ain't ordering from you every week. So you just got to tell them, hey, back off or I'm going to close my account. If I need something, I'll call you, because otherwise they will call you literally almost every day. But great resource. International Navistar. If you buy a new International, you will get a $1,000 rebate on top of it through Truckers B2B, as well as parts discounts. I don't think it says what your discount is on parts. You'd have to call on that. I'm not sure. That's off a brand new truck. Now, you buy a used truck, and you'll get a $500 rebate. So, this is a little something on top of, sweeten the deal. Kumho Tires, Marquette Transportation Finance. This is accounts receivable. If you're in need of that, 2% rebate. Hotel 6. I don't know what the discount is there. Let's check that out. 15% at Motel 6. Michelin. If you're going to use Michelin's, you'll save a substantial amount of money buying them through here. Office supplies through Office 360. Office Depot. I think that's a pretty substantial discount. Save an average of 61%. Open Road Legal Services. Orange Commercial Credit. If you use factoring, you will get a discount through Orange Commercial Credit, linking it to Truckers B2B. Pegasus Document Scanning. Petro. You get a discount on your PMs, DOTs, as well as a fuel discount. I'll be honest with you, the fuel discount sucks. It's like 10 cents a gallon. So you can do better somewhere else. Same with Pilot Flying J. Prophecy Trucking Software. Probably not going to need that. This road call service. Emergency tire program. Not familiar with that. Let's check it out. Oh, I think you can do this in conjunction with your gold account. Let's give you a discount on road service. This is just for tires. Roadside Masters is a breakdown service. It's like a towing insurance. I looked into it. If you find yourself needing to be towed a lot, it'd probably benefit you. But I just don't think I get in that situation too much, so I just passed on that. Sprint. Really good discount through Sprint. Again, 18% as opposed to 19% with at&t. Staples. You get a discount on office supplies at Staples. I think this is related to the Office 360. Average savings of 61%. And these aren't baiting. I gotta say, I've used some of these services through B2B. This is not a bait and switch. If they claim you get a discount, you get the damn discount. It's not, we'll give you 20% and then we're going to give you 10%. No, if they say 20%, you're going to get 20%. They're pretty good about that. T-Checks, another fuel card. This is going to be the same as the Petro. Aon, this is different kinds of insurance like occupational accident and things similar to what you get through an Aflac, but it's not Aflac. Here's another factoring company. It's Triumph. TA Truck Service, breakdown services. You'll get a discount. It ain't much. Let's see if it says what it is. $15 discount on labor. That ain't crap. Sorry. I use this one. DAT Trucker's Edge, your load board. 10% discount and 30 days free. So if you're already a DAT customer, just call them up and say, hey, I'm supposed to get a 10% discount through Truckers B2B. They'll call over to Truckers B2B, see if you're a member, verify that you are, and they'll just give you a 10% discount right off your bill. I know, because that's exactly what I did. $10 a month, if you're on the $100 plan. Uniforms, I don't use that. Discount on hotel, Wyndham Hotels in Yokohama. So like I said, there's something here for everybody. And feel free to go to truckersb2b.com, browse the website, see if there's something for you. I hope there is. I don't get anything for referring you to this, so I'm not trying to sell you something. There's nothing to buy anyways. I'm just trying to save you money. So I hope that really helped. If it did, give me a big thumbs up. Drop a comment telling me what you saved money on. And we will see you next time.